Welcome back, friends. Today in this video we shall discuss about the Haven1 Airdrop eligibility check. That is how you can check to know whether you are qualified for the Haven1 Airdrop. In case you have forgotten what the Haven1 Airdrop is all about, this is one of the projects that was mined in the Satoshi mining app. As you can see, this is my Satoshi app, and if you go over to the project section, you see Haven1 here. Okay, so this is one of the projects that has been mined in the Satoshi app, mined about a few months ago. Secondly, we shall discuss about the WCoin new airdrop criteria, which was just released some days ago. Now, to check if you are eligible for the Haven1 airdrop, you go over to your MetaMask or whichever wallet that you submitted and used for your KYC during the Haven1 airdrop stage. Move over to that wallet. If you have been following me, I believe all my followers made use of the MetaMask, which is the recommended wallet to use for the Haven1 airdrop. Now, in your MetaMask, you go over to the browser section, you click on it. Then on the search bar, you are going to type exactly what you see on the screen here, which is portal.haven1.org. I am also going to drop that link in the description of this video. Then you come over here, you are going to see connect wallet. Once you see connect wallet, then you connect your wallet. Already I have connected mine, but for the purpose of this video, let me disconnect it and I'm going to reconnect it. Okay, so you click on connect wallet just as you see on the screen. Then here you select MetaMask. Okay, select MetaMask and then you exercise patience. You click on the connect button, which is the blue button down. Then you give it some seconds. Sometimes this takes time to connect, so you just have to be trying it over and over again. Now, after having tried for a number of times, it's connected successfully, and here is my wallet address. So once you see your wallet address displayed in this format, then you know that you have successfully connected your wallet. So the next thing you are going to do is you come over to the check eligibility button. But before then, please you take note that this is the season 1 airdrop. So probably what it means is they are going to launch another season of this airdrop. Okay, and the claiming will start in less than 20 hours. So we just have 20 hours and some minutes left for the claiming of this airdrop for those who participated. So to proceed, just click on check airdrop eligibility. So let me go over to it and click on it. Then here it says congratulations, you are eligible. Okay, you are eligible for the H1 token airdrop. All right, it says you can claim your airdrop token when mainnet goes live, and this is what I have earned and some other points that has been given to me, which is my rewards, as you can see here. Okay, so once that time once it reaches that countdown time which they have given here, everybody, the portal will be open for all to come in and claim. There are other things I want you to take note of, which includes how is the airdrop determined. You can click on this button to read how the airdrop is determined. You can also go ahead and read what does immediate liquidity mean, just like you have it here. Okay, then it says I should be getting more H1. What can I do about it? What happens if I don't claim my airdrop? Is there a fee for claiming my airdrop? Now, this is a good news about this. There is actually no fees for claiming this airdrop. Okay, you can also check this question: can I change my claim after submitting it? Then lastly, what happens if I face issues during the claim process? So if you have any question regarding this, the answers are already given here. Let us now talk about the WCoin airdrop criteria that was just released a day ago. Now here they said airdrop criteria updates made. New eligibility conditions are now live in the airdrop tab. You can already check them now. So without wasting much time, let's just go over to our Telegram to see what the criteria is all about. So in the WCoin Telegram mini app, you come over to the section where we have this gift box. Then you click on it to see the airdrop criteria. First, you will make sure that you have connected your wallet. Okay, even if you have connected it before, even if you've connected it before, you need to recheck to know if your wallet is still connected or not. In my own case, I have connected my wallet before, and as you can see, the wallet has been automatically disconnected. So you go ahead and click on the connect wallet button to connect your wallet. Then you select the particular wallet you want. In my own case, I'll go with the Townkeeper. Then I'll just agree by clicking on the connect wallet to grant it permission to connect to my wallet. All right, then it says here coming soon, probably maybe the airdrop coming soon. Okay, now you can see here the wallet address has been displayed. This is my wallet address. I hope you can see it. This is my wallet address. Then secondly, you must make sure that you complete 50 tasks. Then thirdly, you should make sure that you have tapped up to 10,000 taps. All right, then last one is you make sure that you have the 100 up to 100 WAI balance. Actually, these criteria, I don't see them to be something to a big deal. Okay, this is something that we have been doing before. Now we have actually been tapping, so you make sure that you tap to at least 10,000. Then for the WAI, you make sure that each time you log in, you come over here and click on this button. Then you are going to see the WCoin dashboard here. This is where you'll be claiming the WAI. I just have very little. This is the quantity that I have mined so far. In your own case, you see here, maybe claim or mine or whatever. Once you click on it, it will be accumulated to the balance that you have, and it is given every 88 hours. So if you have not done yours, make sure that you start it now. You can still get up to at least 100 before the launching. Remember that the launching time or the date as they have given is on the 29th of this month. Then the task that they talked about, you come over to the section of the task, which is here. All right, when you click on it, then there are a series of tasks in this menu that is listed here: the YouTube, the pre-listing, the active, and the completed. These are menus that has different tasks. So under the YouTube section, you have different video captions that you are going to watch. The WCoin, you click on it. The tone, you click on it, and you watch all these videos. As you can see, I have watched most of this video. Then on the pre-listing section, these are the tasks that you need to complete. Make sure that you complete at least 50. So to know the ones that are still active, you click on the active section. These are the ones that are still active that you can perform now. All right, then those ones that you have completed, it is under this completed section. So when you count the ones that are under the completed section and the ones on other menus, and it sum up to 50, that means you have met up with their criteria. So once all these are met, then you know that you will be eligible for the airdrop. Although I do not know if there is going to be other eligibility criteria that they are going to release subsequently. So guys, this is all we shall discuss in this video. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you have not subscribed, click on the subscribe button to subscribe, and then you turn on the notification bell so that once we drop updates in this channel, YouTube will notify you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video.